Welcome to another day of Ghetto Garage. GG's. Today, how to live life on the edge. I wouldn't put my hand up on that top plate. Oh, it's not the top plate. Because if them motherfucking zip ties come loose, your fingers is coming loose as well. Would you look at that? So we're showing you on what not to do.
Alright, so
wiggle it.
I'm gonna need some help to get that off because it's not.
No, you just gotta turn it and wiggle it. There you go. Heads out. Don't point that bitch towards your face or towards me. No, nigga, don't point it towards. Oh! Ow! He's pointing. No, not towards my car. No! What are you doing?
You scared me. You scared me.
It ain't even a nut, ain't even off. I was just messing with him. But yeah, so what we did to get it to this point was some magic shit. Not really. What we did, we jacked up the arm, put those Amazon Chinese Harbor Freight zip ties on there because those are the best. One of them came off, just fell off, but that's what we're doing. You know, we got to get this done with the tools you got. Everybody got zip ties, and if not, go to the dollar store and get 1,000 of them for $1. So there you go. We're living life on the edge.
We got old school ways, we expose that. Ain't no guarantees, but you know that. Die every day, can't control that.
So we've been working at this for 17 hours. We got one on 3 minutes ago. And the zip ties worked. But I'm not responsible if you blow your fucking hand off for attempting this. All right. So we got the left side just about completed. About to jack this shit up. It's only been about 4 hours. What time we start? Like 5:30. So an hour per side. That's you cutting rubber. He's up there grubbing rubber, grabbing a rod, all that. It was wild. It was buck wild crazy over here. You know. Yeah. It's called Zip Tie City. Yeah, we got Zip Tie City, Ghetto Garage, Suspect shit. Look at him. I don't know what that motherfucker doing over there. He's tippity tap tip tap tipping. But he gonna be riding good, you know, smooth. The factory shocks, bushings, they was all worn. So he gonna be riding real good on them 20s. Alright, they 18s, but he keeps them 4x4. But not after today. He gonna be riding low and slower than a motherfucker. Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Little tip to those doing it. Do one side at a time. I mean, you know, do one side and then... Is it jacking up the car? Okay. It's not lined up on this side. Don't get it in the hole. Oh, yeah. Okay. As you can see over here, the other side started coming up too. So just finger tight, just put them on a couple threads. No. This part. put those on. Just a little turn, so we can lower it back down. No, that's too much. Just right there. Okay. So then we'll lower it back down. Okay. See how it's closer now? Because of sway bar. Is it going up?
Can you drop it some?
Oh.
No.
Yeah, I just dropped it. How much more you need? More than that?
Just enough to get this split off.
Right there?
A little more? That's good.
Oh, the plate came off?
Now I was just checking for that ring, remember?
No, you do that afterwards.
After?
Yeah, you can get there from the top.
Oh, that's the washer.
I don't know. What the hell is he doing? No, it's going up. Okay. And that's how you do it. If the sway bars and everything is still connected, you gotta bring them up together, you guys. You gotta bring them up together. Unity.
Unity!